All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We are live on YouTube. I can't see my face yet. There I am. All right, guys. This is Wall Street Sizing Up, sponsored by StockTrade.tips. That's a website. You can go to the website and you can get into our Telegram channel. Got some very interesting conversations in there. We got some option guys. We got common stock guys. We're focused on a couple of different stocks right now, but I always give you the insider trades. And if I find a dark pool trade that is correlated to the options flow overwhelmingly, then I show you that too. And that's what we're going to do today. So with that being said, let's do what we came here to do today. And you will see on the screen, this is... So I found CVE. CVE is the ticker. CVE had a $22 million dark pool buy, right? There are a lot of dark pool buys. I only look at the heaviest ones. There was a 97 million, there's a 112. But anyway, it doesn't correlate with the underlying options, and that's the key. So what you do is you have to correlate them. So don't so much look at this because these are just the largest. These are really the largest premiums that are being paid, right? So these are the big ones. But what you want to look at, so with that buy for CVE, which you want to look up here, is right up here. The call premium is 106,000 today. The put premium is only 4K, so it's a 20 to 1. The call volume is 1.2 thousand or 1,200, to 186, right? So that's 1 to 10, 1 to 12, right? So it's in favor of call volumes and going long. So then we look at the CBE chart and you can see what's going on here, right? Clearly it broke out. Then I go into my other tool, which I just got on, which is VIG.io. You see CVE here too. No, this is the daily chart. The price was what? It was 838 currently, which is right. Should be that blue line. It's a little bit more to the blue line. But you can see, guys, right here. Here's 838 coming up on it. There's 840. Look at the green. There is not much left. It should chew through this. You're really not going to encounter resistance until $9. This is a good trade. CVE. You'll see it on my TikTok tonight too. There's not a lot of volume even when you skin it down. There's just a lot of supply, there's not a lot of supply in there that it's going to need to chew through. It's going to jump, and this is what we see in Bitcoin too. From the 45, 46, there's not a lot to chew through up until about 52. So all right, so let's look at some other ones that we had. So the next one it's going to be CNDT. So CNDT we found here. It's conduit. It was traded heavy on yesterday on August 10th, but we had two. We had one director, and this is what we love to see. The big size of $100,000 size up at least by the CEO, right? CNDT. And if we go to the chart, CNDT, you can see what happened here. He sized up on the 10th. He did get a little bit of a push, but clearly he saw the bounce, and then he knew of the news. But here's the thing. Let me go into this one too. CNDT, it pulls up, there it is. This is on the price right now, again, is 685. Let's look at the 685 chart on the daily. Right above the blue. And look, it just got a little bit of supply to chew through, and then boom, it should explode. Even if we size this down, guys, look at that. Just got to chew through. Let's go back up a little bit. It's just got to chew through. If it can get to 710, 720, there's not a lot of supply left. There's just not. It's just going to chew right through it. And you could see this go. I could see this going all the way to, gosh, 750, 752. That's where I see that. The other stock I wanted to show you again was a insider buy. Was a little bit earlier today. Atlantico Animal Health. Don't ask me what they do. I'm really not concerned with that. What I am concerned with is it was traded today on August 11th by the president and CEO, and he went heavy. $500,000 larger position, right? Clearly he's a rich man, but point being, let's look at this chart. It just fell off the map today. Well, it actually fell off the map on the 6th, continued to slide, and then boom, he must know some good news is coming, because I mean it's at 29.20 to get back to the really the 200. That's gonna be like almost $32. So it fell off quick, and it was probably because, let me look. I mean, it's still got a price target of 35, which is right where the 50-day is. But let me look at the. It is there's some kind of investigation going on, but it's funny that why would the CEO buy? I should look at this more closer, but it was a complete conviction buy for sure, and they may have been acquired, guys, or something fell out. Anyway, that was a huge buy by the CEO, and you'd love to see it. If there's anything else that's come in, I did like another buy that I liked. I did like the Lionsgate buy too. This is a director. Yesterday, August 10th, he sized up at the 12. Now this is LGF.B, the B shares, for $900,000. You'd love to see that. That was 75,000 shares. Let me see if anything else come in new before I jump off of here. Stagwell's come back in. We called them last week. You might look at Stagwell also. And then it's just Midstream Partners, and then we had another. Oh, that's a bank. So that's it, guys. That would be. If you want me to go through just a little bit more, if you want to drop off, those are the stock calls today. Let me see if there's any big buys from Congress. Luxury Presence. I don't know if that's even. That's not. I don't think that's a public company. Let's see what else we might have. We're still on the 11th today. What else is Congress buying heavy? Here's Yinhang Capital Partnership. Interesting. It's a hedge fund that he bought into by Richard Blumenthal. Let's see what else he's buying into. Nothing really public. Looking at the bigger buys. His spouse doesn't even. The Vine Branded Opportunity LLC. Again, this is all private. Let's see what Swaggy Stock's got going. Let's see what's moved up really quick. Spirit at the top again. CWBR's a new one. Atosa ATOS has moved back up. BID has moved up. Zella is back in being talked about. That's interesting. BRQS, which I believe was up today as well. Really the top three are typically around the top 10. What else we got today? Anything fanciful? Now, that's really about it, guys. Just want to jump on here, give you those three stocks. And so those are CBE, CNDT, and ELAN, although this one, after looking at the news, might be a little suspect, but it was a high conviction buy by the CEO. So I'm going to stick with it. So with that being said, guys, really appreciate you guys jumping on here. Tried to do this in 10 minutes or less. We'll see if we did or not. But with that said, watch your six, go hard in the paint. We'll see you next time. Appreciate you guys. See you.